My name is Zuzanna Kosobudzka and I'm a first-year PhD at the University of Cambridge under Dr. Eva Marek at the Energy Reactions and Carriers Research Group. My role is I'm an early carriers researcher. I am doing this project as part of my PhD, and I specifically focus on how we can take algal oil and convert it into jet fuel. I did my bachelor's in quantum physics, and I first started my research career in medical devices and medical technologies. And it was actually my curiosity about how we can apply, I guess, foundational principles to other areas that have brought me over to the side of climate mitigation and ultimately to do a PhD in Cambridge. There was definitely a very steep learning curve. So when I first joined the PhD 6 months ago, because I do not possess the traditional engineering training, there was obviously a lot of new ground that I had to cover. But I think this is where the collaborative nature of academia really comes to shine, where there were just a lot of either colleagues or even senior professors who just decided to be my mentors and kind of help me educate myself and get up to speed so that I can become a better engineer. The highlights of my research are developing new catalyst combinations to facilitate the algal oil conversion into long hydrocarbons, which basically means synthetic jet fuel. And the second highlight, a personal highlight for me, I built my own rig. So I built my own experimental setup, which I think gives you a new level of control where you actually build the house of all your experiments. So for new researchers or people who are starting their PhDs, I would definitely advise them to first and foremost follow their curiosity. I think doing a PhD is this magical, potentially one-in-a-lifetime experience where you generally can just focus on what excites you without necessarily worrying about the downstream consequences. So let yourself experience the magic.